Hello my dear friends, welcome back to my channel Nitya's Art World. Today I am showing you how to make these beautiful quilled flowers. So let's quickly check out the requirements. Some 3mm quilling strips, half cut pearls, liquid glue and some quilling tools. Let's get started. So first I am taking this yellow color strip and joining one brown color strip to this. I'm making a tight coin using quilling tool. Now I'm going to loosen this using quilling mold. Now secure it using liquid glue. Now I'm going to give this some shape. So first pinch it like this. Now I'm going to press it in the center and fold it like this. Now I'm going to wrap this using 1/4 brown color strip. Now I'm going to secure it using liquid glue. This is how to make a Malaysian flower petal. In the same way, I have made 6 petals. Now I'm going to assemble them. Now I'm going to join half yellow strip and 1/4 brown strip. Now I'm making a tight coil out of this. Now I'm going to put it inside the center and check how much loose it has to get. And now I'll take it out and just secure it using liquid glue. Now I'm going to secure it using liquid glue. Now I'm going to put this in the center of the Malaysian flower. Now let us get started with the second flower. So for this I am taking one pink strip and half blue strip, and I'm going to join them. Now I'm going to make a loose coil of this. Now I'm going to loosen this in the quilling mold. I'm giving it some shape. So first I'm pinching it like this. Now hold it like this and pinch it like this. Now I'm taking my quilling tool and keeping it in the center like this. So one petal is done. In the same way, you need 8 more. Actually, I have made one extra. Now let us assemble them. Now I have joined half pink strip and 1/4 blue strip. And now let's make a loose coil of this. I have given this also some shape. And in the same way I have made 4 more. Now let's assemble them. So I am joining all 4 together and then I will stick this on top of the 8 petals flower. Now in the center I am going to stick these half cut pearls. So both our flowers are done. Don't they look very pretty? If they do let me know in the comment section. If you like this video, do give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And click on bell button and select all option. Till then, thank you for watching. Bye bye.